Hi guys, welcome back to the First Place Auto Part Shop. My name is David. There are certain modifications that you make to your car that will absolutely change the brake bias that your vehicle requires. Modifications that can alter brake bias and braking performance include: number 1, adding sticky tires to your car. Number 2, increasing the rotor diameter. Number 3, increase caliper pistons or number of pistons in a caliper. Number 4, increase brake pad coefficient or brake pad size. Number 5, more or less weight on the front wheels. For example, putting aluminum cylinder heads and an aluminum intake on a big block Chevrolet is absolutely going to remove about 100 to 150 pounds off the front end of that car. Number 6, increases in vehicle center of gravity. This would apply to any lifted four-wheel drive truck and or Jeep. And finally, number 7, an increase or decrease in the unsprung wheel weight, either by adding larger or lighter wheel assemblies. When one or all of the above modifications are present on a vehicle, the stock non-adjustable proportioning valve will not be calibrated to provide the best or even safest possible braking performance. And finally, one modification that is as classic as muscle cars and hot rods could ever hope to be is adding the big tires in the back and the skinny tires up front. This combination will absolutely wreak havoc with brake proportioning and brake bias, because now you have a lot more grip in the back and very little grip at the front. So one of the things that you have to do is possibly add one of these proportioning valves that are adjustable. To find more restoration and performance parts like these, go to our First Place Auto Parts website, which is always open and easy to use at fpautoparts.com. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube, where we'll continually be adding new product video reviews and also how to install videos that may be a benefit to you when it comes time to buying or installing the parts on your car. Until next time, keep the hammer down and keep it between the guardrails.